My hair is freshly washed with no product in it. To seal moisture in, I will be using the summer version of my DIY whipped shea butter mix and Jamaican black castor oil hair food pomade. I section my hair into 2 equal parts. To stimulate hair growth of my edges, I am using the pomade on my scalp and mostly on my hair edges. To bring moisture back to my hair, I am spraying water on my hair, working it into every part of my hair. This version is more fluffy and light, easy to penetrate into hair follicles. The secret of easy braiding or twisting is detangled hair. Combing my hair in sections and holding it at the bottom help in reducing hair breakage. Moving on to the other side of my head, I did exact same thing. I took the hairband out, combined both ends to form a ponytail. You can wear it like this if you want, but for me, I will be using rolled up sock and use rubber band to hold it in place. Since my edges do not like gel, I will be using this edge wax to control my edges. This edge wax works well with my hair, and I don't use more than what I need. This is the final look. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and hit the subscribe button before you leave. Love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye. XOXO. Bye.